Alright, let's take a look at some chart action for Costco. Before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so we're looking at Costco and it had this rising channel like this. Something like that. We were getting resistance. And then we were getting support like this. And then so we broke this trend line right here. And I was kind of thinking that we were going to come down to this level right here, or maybe even this level right here. But we actually got support right here. Boom. We got a bounce right there on this 23% level. Alright, so now I'm on the 4 hour. But my question is, are we going to get resistance right here at this trend line where we've been getting resistance in the past, right here and right here? Or are we just going to break right through it? I actually sold right here, and so I let it drop down. And once we started getting support right here and started picking up a little bit, I started dollar cost averaging little by little. I'm still not completely back in my position because I'm still not 100% sure if we're breaking through. It looks like we are, but I haven't really been sure yet. But looking at it now, it looks like we're getting some momentum. Let's take a look at some of these other time frames though, because we have a few things that might hold us down, like this 180 moving average. We're coming into contact right with it right there. That also might be a thing. When we break through it, we might get a big pump up though, so look for that. On the weekly time frame, this looks nice. We have this moving average that was coming in like this. We broke below it for a second right here, and then we are bouncing on top of it. Right here we broke below it, and we came and we've been moving down ever since. We got support on this Fibonacci level, and then now we're coming back up. So we just broke above it is the point I'm trying to get to. We just broke above it right here. Let's see if we can continue to stay above this weekly moving average like this. I would like to see the price come up here and keep moving up and holding support on this trend line at least. We have that moving average on the daily somewhere right here, so I think if we could break through that, we'll get some more momentum. But if we go into the monthly time frame as well, this is the thing that's kind of a little bit concerning. And we have until next week pretty much to close above it. So watch out for next week. Pretty much at the end of next week, we should see if we are above this moving average or if we're going to stay below it. So right now we are testing it. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there at the where the price is right now. We're basically testing it right now. So if we can break above this monthly moving average, and then the following month stay above it and keep moving up, then that'll look really good. What I'm thinking is dollar cost averaging still in. It looks like a good maybe entry point to kind of come up and ride this wave. Maybe something like up to here. Maybe something up to here. But I'm not really sure yet if that's still going to be the case. Like I said, I'm still watching this monthly moving average to see if we could break above it. And also just this trend line in general. I want to see us break this trend line. It looks like we're about to do it though. This honestly kind of looks like a falling wedge with a fake out to the downside. So there's a falling wedge like this, fake out to the downside, break back through, and now we're going to get move up. And actually the target would probably be somewhere around here, around the top of this moving, or on top of this falling wedge, something like that anyways, which would still be around from this breakout right here to even just the top is another 11%. If we could break the top, that'll look super bullish too, in my opinion as well. This is all-time highs right here, so let's see what happens. I guess I was just wanting to get down to these prices just so I could get a better price on this Costco thing, but I'm not sure. Like I said, dollar cost averaging still. I mean, I like shopping at Costco in general, so I like this stock basically. It's kind of high right now though. Like I said, all-time highs. That's kind of scary, so you should be careful with this, I would say. Alright, well, if you guys liked that video, hit that thumbs up button.